Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the string.trim method. So what it does, it removes white space from the both end of the space. That means if they have special, special spaces which are useless, so it gonna remove those. So what we need to do is, for that we need to create a string. So string and equals to hello, what the heck, hello world. And now what we need to do is add lot of space here and also here. These spaces are useless, it takes up memories, so it not not needed. So what we need to do is, if I uh, you know um, uh, print the string, it will give you hello world. But if you want to trim that, as the name suggests, it gonna trim it out. So trim, call that function, and yeah, every useless spaces. And you can see there is no middle spaces, because there is a middle space because this is a useful spaces. And it also remove tab, no break space, and anything which you hate. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.